Is your PayPal account a fortress or a sitting duck? Let's make it impenetrable in just a few easy steps. Starting with the cornerstone of online security, your password. Log into your PayPal account. Click the settings icon. It resembles a gear. Next, select security and then click update next to password. Choose a password that's at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birthday or pet's name. Now, let's enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. In the security section, find the two-step verification option and click Setup. You can choose to receive a code via text message or use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Regularly reviewing your account activity is essential. On your PayPal dashboard, check your recent transactions for any unauthorized purchases or suspicious activity. If you see something you don't recognize, report it immediately to PayPal. Finally, be vigilant against phishing attempts. Never click on links in suspicious emails or text messages claiming to be from PayPal. Always log in directly to your PayPal account through the official website or app to check for any issues. Remember, PayPal will never ask for your password or financial information via email. By following these simple steps, you can significantly strengthen your PayPal account security and protect your hard-earned money. Stay safe online.